Hi Salt Travelers, welcome back to another Travel Tuesday. I'm in somewhat sunny San Diego, and I was just going to do the topic today of traveling with your pet. I have my little 15-pound dog Mogli. He's in an approved carrying case that fits underneath the seat on the airplane. It's a backpack version. He loves it. If you are going to travel with your pet, it's always good to get them accustomed to the travel crate before you go. And he spends time in it all by himself. He sleeps in it. It's his favorite little thing. I'm lucky in that way. Throughout the airport, I can actually just leave the mesh open, and he's perfectly content being in there for long periods of time. Airports have doggy bathrooms, doggy relief areas, so it's getting easier and easier to travel with the pet. There we go. Free. Free at last. There's the water bun. It's handy, huh? The water. As far as bringing them down to Costa Rica, it's really simple. You just go to your vet, make sure that they have the required vaccinations. Rabies is always a really big one. The rabies vaccination has to have been administered 30 days before. Now, all of these things, definitely do your own investigation because it could be changing all the time. As far as different countries throughout Central America have changed their rabies status, but Costa Rica is still a rabies-free country.
Look at the camera.
So another trick, I know that they need to be the ones usually to administer the flea and tick medicine. So if you give a heart guard flea and tick medicine and you know you're going to be taking your pet, wait to administer it and let them do it at the vet. They need to physically know that it was administered and be able to certify. So they have to be the ones to do it usually. Then with your health certificate, you just show the papers when you check in at the airport, again at immigration when you get to Costa Rica. And the most important thing they're always looking for is definitely the rabies vaccination. And then when you get to Costa Rica, it's super pet friendly. Never have any trouble getting into like a taxi or anything with my dog in his container. I get into an Uber or a taxi just fine. They usually don't even know he's there. There's some really great pet-friendly hotels. The Hampton Inn near the airport is pet-friendly. There's some great Airbnbs in Alajuela near the airport. We're going to be staying at Aloft, which is one of my favorite hotels. They're very pet-friendly. They give you a pet bed and toys and bones, a bottle of water for your dog. For me, traveling with my dogs just makes my trip all that more enjoyable. And I highly recommend it if you know, it does add a little bit extra cost. Airlines generally charge about $125 to $150 each way. But all in all, if you pay for pet sitting, it may rack up to be about the same. So if that's something to consider, if it's an extra bonus and really nice to have your pet with you and you're spending about the same to have somebody watch them. Plus, there's no place I've ever seen happier dogs than when they're running free on the beach in Costa Rica. Happy pets, happy owners. All right, that's it for this week. Hope that was helpful. Please leave any comments down below. Happy travels to you and your pets.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning.